Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make text to video using AI Lucas. First, you need to open up idomoo.ai, which is the Lucas official website. Then you just need to tell what kind of video you need and it will create it for you. On the bottom, it will give you suggested prompts that you can use to generate your videos. Let's try to generate a video ad for crochet shops. Click on the arrow given on it and wait for it to work on your given prompt. Click on the create video and then now wait for a few minutes until it generates your video. And in the results, you can see it has generated different videos for the given text. You can download them and use them wherever you want. And that's it. That's how to make text to video using AI Lucas. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching!